Tofu is made from soybeans and originated in China during the Han Dynasty over 2,200 years ago. Today, I'm introducing a classic homemade tofu dish, Scallion Braised Tofu. Prepare sliced ginger, shredded scallions, and scallion segments cut diagonally to enhance texture. Scallion sections: ginger slices, star anise, green Chinese onion shreds. Cut the tofu into thick slices, then break them into large pieces. This creates rough surfaces with more area, allowing the tofu to absorb more sauce. Salt, sugar, white pepper, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and water. Mix well. Take an appropriate amount of potato starch, add water and stir well. Add cooking oil to the pan. Over low heat, add star anise and ginger slices. Once fragrant, add shredded scallions. Remove the star anise and ginger. Fry the scallions until golden, then take them out. Add the tofu and pan fry until both sides are golden. Add part of the scallion segments, switch to high heat, and gently stir. Pour in the sauce and simmer for 3 minutes. Add the remaining scallions and stir to enhance the aroma. Add the starch slurry and stir until the sauce thickens. The dish is finished. You're welcome to subscribe to my channel.